How to share an AirTag in Find My on iPhone, iPad, or Mac. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. To share an AirTag, make sure you and your recipient meet these criteria, which includes two-factor authentication for both Apple IDs. The borrower must have an Apple ID, and both parties must use iOS 17 and more. If the requirements meet, then after you can head to share an AirTag. For this, open or find the Find My application on your device. Then after, tap the Items tab, then tap the AirTag that you want to share. If it is not yet added, tap on Add Item in order to tap or add an AirTag that you want to share. Once that is done, scroll and tap on Add Person under Share this AirTag. Enter the Apple ID, then tap their name when it appears. Then tap on Share in the top right corner and you're good to go. You will see the invites and their pending status until they are accepted. This is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.